4, 3, 2, 1. Now have you ever seen anything like?
No, it's not very often, guys, you get to see something like this. So this is the steam rocket bike. That is smashing records left, right and centre. And this runs on steam, doesn't it, Bill?
Yeah.
So I've got Bill here from the Force of Nature team.
Yeah, it just runs on steam. Bit of water.
And in a couple of hours, guys, you're going to see this bad boy run. So Bill's just been telling me roughly 3.5 hours, did you say, Bill, to charge her up? Basically, it's all running on steam. You've got the water tank in the middle. You've got the burners under here, warming the water up into the tank. There's a button on there, he presses that and off it goes. And if you have a look on here, guys, they are currently doing the 8th mile in 3.29 seconds at 164 mile an hour. And Bill's pretty confident today they're going to try and beat that record. So stay tuned, guys, and let's see him smash a record.
And that's 3-stage lights on. Got the lads started position absolutely arrow straight. There's a parachute on that because if you're going through the end here at 165 miles an hour, 185 the best that Graham has ever done. It's in stage now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now have you ever seen anything like that before?
Class.
Absolutely incredible. 3.370 at 169 for Graham.
69 mile an hour.
3.370, and that's the new PB for Graham, and that's the best that has ever done. That is the fastest thing you've ever seen down here at Melbourne with that.
Well done, gang, as they go on the tree, Graham. Just give them a big round of applause. If not, I'm ever the show, mate.